What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do that video with the HKS Sport Exhaust. There's another video on YouTube with a guy doing it. He did a great job. I want to do just as good a job. So currently I have a 2006 Evo 9 MR 6-speed manual with a Megan downpipe, Megan test pipe, HKS exhaust. That's my complete setup that I currently have. So let's go ahead and start the car and then go for a drive, and you guys can hear this thing rip. We're gonna do it from inside and outside. You'll get all the good sounds. It makes a lot of good sounds. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so I brought a little helper friend today, my fiance. She is gonna start the Evo 9, but not yet. She started it too soon. So that's what it sounds like. She started it real quick and too fast. So we're gonna come back here and I'll tell her when to start it, and then you guys will be able to hear it since she fired it up right away. Oh my gosh, it is a good looking car. All right, go ahead and fire it up, Ella. Oh, it's good. So when I first had it, it was really quiet, but it's starting to sound like an Evo. I mean, that's exactly the sound that you want. That's the sound that I want. Listen to that. All right, Gabriella, go ahead and rev it up to like 3,000 RPMs. That's good. That is so good. Oh yeah. All right, go again. Yeah, that is good. All right, now rev it all the way up. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh, go again. One more time, all the way up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, that sounds so good. So I love it. I think that is an amazing sound. It's throaty. It's very good inside the interior too. It's not droney or anything. I absolutely love it. It sounds really good. Okay, so we're off. What we're gonna do now is pretty much just, you guys can hear it. It's pretty, honestly, to be honest, it's not bad on the interior. The Evo 10, I had a Megan exhaust on it. I guess I'm a Megan kind of brand. I never thought I was. Megan's been around for a long time. M-E-G-A-N, Megan, like the name Megan. But HKS is like a good name brand in my opinion. I love HKS. So I got it paired with, and I wish I could have gotten HKS downpipe, HKS test pipe. I don't know if they made that, so I don't know. I also would have gone with a Megan exhaust, but the HKS had better reviews, so that's why I went with this. This is roughly, from a stock setup to this setup, is probably gonna cost you $700, $750, right around there, if you install yourself. Now, if you have someone else install, that's a different story. We're gonna go ahead and let this person go. We'll go ahead and let them go. Go ahead. That being said, I like it from the inside. It's very dailyable. I have no issues with it. You can daily the whole setup. I like it a lot. Now, one of the big things though, it does make the car a lot quicker than the stock exhaust, but it doesn't sound like a Tome. So I guess we can just kind of roll into it. You guys can hear from the inside, and then we'll do some flybys from the outside. So just roll into it, right? Love it. So that's with the windows down. You might get a little bit of wind noise, but let's go ahead and roll the windows up, and we'll do another roll into it, another hit. So that was a second gear, and then we'll go back into second. We'll do another second gear. Everyone likes a second gear pull, right? So we're gonna hit it right. Let's do it right as soon as we get into boost. So let's go. Wow. Yeah, it has a really good throaty sound. It does. It's like what you would want from the Evo, but it is not over loud. It's not a Tome. Your neighbors won't kill you. So I think it's a good setup. I think they've made a lot of them too, so I think they're still for sale. They're not hard to find. I would recommend definitely going straight downpipe, then to the test pipe, and then into this exhaust. I wouldn't recommend mating the HKS Sport Exhaust with the OEM stuff, you're just not going to get the results that you're looking for. In addition to that, I definitely recommend getting a tune. I need to go get a tune. But overall, it's a really, really good product. So let's go ahead and I'll put you guys on the outside and you'll hear a couple flybys with it. So overall, I think it's a pretty good exhaust. I like it. Now, if you want it, the most famous is a Tome. Is that a Tome da? The only reason I didn't want a Tome, well, two reasons. One, it's loud, and I didn't want it that loud. If I wanted that something that loud, it'd probably be like my MR2 or something like that. Just because that's like a race car. I wanted this to be more my all-wheel drive winter drive beater, which is it's a really expensive car to have a winter beater, but I wanted to use it for all-wheel drive. In addition to that, I didn't want the crooked exhaust where it comes out at an angle. I don't like that look. I've never liked that. I like the symmetrical look, and I think I have personally the best taste with the rear end of this car. It's a good aesthetic looking back end. So those are the reasons why I went with this exhaust, and I think you guys should go with it too. Honestly, you will not be disappointed. If you buy the exhaust and put it on your Evo 8.9, you will think it's too quiet from the inside, but on the outside, it's actually loud, and that is the ultimate thing that you want. So I hope you guys found this useful. Make sure to swing by MrHks.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video.